Welcome friends. Let us solve the question number 5 of exercise 7.4 of chapter 7, and the question says the class 10 students of a secondary school in Kushinagar have been allotted a rectangular plot of land for their gardening activities. Saplings of gulmohar are planted on the boundary at a distance of 1 meter from each other. There is a triangular grassy lawn in the plot as shown in the figure 7.14. The students are to show seeds of the following plants on the remaining area of the plot. This is the picture of the plot, and we have two cases. In case 1, taking A as the origin, find the coordinates of the vertices of the triangle. Second, what will be the coordinates of the vertices of the triangle PQR if C is the origin? Also calculate the areas of the triangle in these cases, and what do you observe? So we have this question and we have to solve this question. So let us see how to do it. We shall solve the first part when A is considered as the origin. Then the coordinates of P, Q and R are 4 and 6, 3 and 2 and 6 and 5 respectively. Therefore area of triangle PQR will be 1 over 2 mod x1 y2 minus y3 plus x2 y3 minus y1 plus x3 y1 minus y2. Here we have x1 is 4, y2 is 2, y3 is 5, x2 is 3, y3 is 5, y1 is 6, x3 is 6, y1 is 6, y2 is 2. So this is equals to 1 over 2 mod 4 times minus 3. Here we have 3 times minus 1. Here we have 6 times 4 square units. If we further solve it, this is equals to 1 over 2 minus 12 minus 3 plus 24 square units. Here we have 1 over 2 mod minus 15 plus 24 square units, and this is equals to 1 over 2. Mod gives the positive value, so here we have 9. 1 over 2 times 9 is square units, and this is equals to 9 over 2 square units. So this is the solution of the part 1, and now we shall move to the second part of the question when C is considered as the origin. Then the coordinates of P, Q and R are 12, 2, 13 and 6 and 10 and 3 respectively. And now we shall find the area of the triangle. In this case, area of triangle PQR will be 1 over 2 mod x1. x1 is 12, y2 minus y3, y2 is 6, y3 is 3, x2 is 13, y3 is 3 minus 2, and now we have x3 is 10 and 2 minus 6. Now we shall solve this equation, this value, then it will be 1 over 2 mod 12 times 3. Here we have 13 times 1, here we have 10 times minus 4 square units. If we further solve it, this is equals to 1 over 2 mod 36 plus 13 minus 40 square units. Here we have 1 over 2 49 minus 40 square units. So this is equals to 9 over 2 square units. And now we observe that in both the cases area of the lawn is same. So this is the solution of the question. Thank you.